The most serious damage caused by scientism is not only its narrowing definition of knowledge. Scientism also reduced reasoning itself. Reason became calculation, measurement, prediction, technical explanation. Sound reason is broader. It asks, what is true? What follows logically from what I know? What first principles am I relying upon? What assumptions am I making? What is consistent with reality? What is good? What is just? What is proper to the nature of the human person? What does this truth require of me? Am I willing to submit my preferences, emotions, fears, and desires to what reason reveals?